Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka Thomas Jones College, Jawai kalapun ko Burom yaki arspa arpungut ki Samla Pule ki bala pendep yaga kerdan Pule graduate haga Bachelor of Arts bat ka Bachelor of Commerce haga graduation day. Bala sakhi daw moderator jonga KGP Synod mingi u Reverend CL Lalu u bala long kumu kongsan. U MDC jonga Giant Hills Autonomous District Council uba Oktome Wat Lamin kum u sembut kongsan kinong hikai bat ki Samla Pule. Nalor ki arspa arpungut ki Samla Pule, lapun kup Burom kerpang ru. Ya arngut ki college toppers, nriungut ki department toppers, bat laingut ki toppers haga HSSLC Arts, Commerce, bat Science stream.
Gathered here are distinct personalities along with the graduating students and the faculties. So I therefore request the principal of the college, Dr. D.G. Lingdo.
It's always such a special occasion for each and every student. The culmination of years of hard work, the actualizations of goals attained, and the acknowledgement of knowledge that is succeed. So it is only fitting that we commemorate the road that we have all traveled together through this last few years. It has been a journey that started with tentative steps perhaps, but one that has taken us to remarkable heights. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. So as we look back over the last few years, or over the last 3 years, certainly there was a beginning, and thankfully there was also a progress, and yes, undeniably, there was success.
Celebrate your achievements, the success granted to you for your hard work and dedication.
The Bible says, when we say to hate evil, we hate pride, arrogance, and all evil ways in our life. So, my dear student, we are here today because of your hard work. And we need to fear the Lord.
To strength, to march forward with strong determination. Because the motto of the college is Tip Brew Tip Lay. You can say, I love God. But it is possible to hate your neighbor? When you hate your neighbor, then it doesn't mean that you love God. To love God means to love your fellow man, to love your neighbor. So this is the motto, Tip Brew, Tip Lay.
We all have achieved and we all have accomplished our task. We made it. We have completed and set a seal on this very chapter together. Nonetheless, at the very onset of our journey together, it was not crystal clear at all. It was an arduous task to even comprehend life. We are blessed enough to make it through the excruciating storm And here we are now, on this very special day, successfully completing this once tangled trip.
This college will remain forever with us no matter where we are going, either for searching a job or higher studies. The identities of this college will remain forever with us. And to all my graduate mates here, we should respect this college and should not forget this college.
Shabbat.